Hey, are you new to Populi? Do you want to learn as much as possible working with one of our support reps? Of course you do. That's why we've got focus sessions. You spend an hour with a support rep getting a little training and asking questions about a particular area of Populi. The sessions are held over Zoom. We keep the groups small so you can dig into questions, but you also get to be in sessions with other Populi users and hear how they're approaching things as well. If that's all you need to know, you can hop down to the description, pass the like button there, and find the link to our knowledge base where we post details about the sessions. Every post contains a link to a Zoom registration. Register for a session, attend, learn, flourish. A few of you are still here. You need more details. I'll go on. We're running these sessions on a rotating basis, cycling through a collection of topics pertinent to users new to Populi, or maybe they're just new to a specific aspect of Populi. We offer 2 sessions a week with the topics rotating from one session to the next and then starting back over as we work through the list. You can expect sessions focused on these topics. Introduction to Populi covers basics like logging in and handling various user admin tasks. Introduction to academics will cover some of the basics about setting up academic years, terms, programs, degrees, the course catalog, course instances, that kind of thing. Introduction to admissions, we'll go over basics about setting up your application, designing your application, managing leads, all kinds of things. Introduction to billing, will hit basics about pending charges, invoices, transactions, payments, credits, tuition schedules, all the good stuff. Introduction to running courses, are we gonna cover basics about course settings, lessons, assignments, discussions, tests, grading? Oh baby, you betcha. Introduction to financial aid. I bet you're the kind of person that can't wait to start learning about getting financial aid settings going. Awards, packaging aid, disbursements, aid applications. You gotta jump in on one of these introduction to financial aid settings. Focus sessions should go a long way towards teaching you what Populi does and how to do it. Again, the link to the knowledge base where you can register for these sessions is down in the description right past that like button. Check them out. Thanks for watching.